Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Well, hi guys, this is Simran yet again. It is 7 o'clock, and the guest who will be joining us for this live chat session is none other than Meera Deosthale. मीरा विल बी जॉइनिंग अस फॉर द लाइव। और आपको जैसा कि पता है कि आपको मैंने एक टास्क दिया है कि आप सबको क्वेश्चंस भेजने हैं, ताकि जैसे ही मीरा हमें ज्वाइन करेंगी हम उन्हें ढेर सारे सवाल पूछ सकते हैं और उनसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बातचीत कर सकते हैं। तो हाँ, she's here.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, it's way better पहले से.
Yeah.
So, hi. First आप tell us how has quarantine been और क्या कर रहे हो आप, कैसे अपना पूरा दिन बिता रहे हो?
Quarantine has been good, yeah. I mean, got a lot of time at home that, we don't get so much of time in our busy schedules since we all are shooting
Right.
all the time. So, that I've got, and I got to learn a few things, read books, do stuff that I like. So, I'm pretty much okay in this lockdown. And of course, it's for our own benefit. हम
The
सबके
good, right.
सेहत के लिए और हम सबके अच्छे के लिए है. So, yeah.
Correct. And actors का like usual routine होता है, you wake up and then you go on set, shoot and come back, and तब तक दिन खत्म हो चुका होता है. But अभी बहुत like we have ample of time. तो what is something new that you've been trying, like being at home, या फिर कोई एक hobby जो पहले थी but like चली गई थी because time नहीं होता था, and now you've tried to like revisit it.
So, there are 2-3 things. तो बुक्स पढ़ने का मुझे मौका नहीं मिल पा रहा था, शांति से बैठ के जस्ट हैव अ कप ऑफ कॉफी एंड रीड बुक्स. So that is something that I did now. I got lots and lots of hours to read books, and something new that I did that I've never done before is I learned baking.
Right.
Had obviously stocked all the groceries and everything, so घर ingredients थे. So then I baked a chocolate cake and I baked a banana bread and all that. So yeah, I made those things, and
Wow.
generally I'm helping mom with ghar ka kaam and everything, jhadu pocha and all that. So that I'm doing, and raat ka dinner or something is something that I do. So it's like balancing out and helping mom out. So yeah.
Right. There is Meher 3939 asking, who is your favorite character in Vidya?
Apart from Vidya or including Vidya, my favorite character. Apart from Vidya, of course, it would be Vivek, first of all. And second of all, it would be Avtar Bhaiya. Because as a person also, Vikrant Bhaiya is very cool, and
There is energetic.sp who's asking, can you tell us which book are you reading? Energetic.sp is okay. So can energetic sp पूछ रही है. हाँ, I think आप थोड़ा lag होके आ रहे हो, like I'm saying something and then you are. हाँ. I wonder why this is getting stuck for some reason.
we're doing fine. Norway and Woods नाम की एक book है which I'm currently reading, and yeah, so I've got a lot of books जो list में है, so धीरे धीरे मैं पढ़ रही हूँ सारे.
One Uma Muscat is asking, one thing which you cook the best.
One thing that I cook the best, my mom says that I make dal, and she likes the way I make dal.
Really good,
मतलब वो
right?
तड़के वाली दाल जो होती है ना, दाल fry type, so that is something that I make as per her. Otherwise, I make really nice sandwiches, and लोग को खा के बताना होगा क्या अच्छा बना है.
Okay, so like There is a question from no filter underscore world. I don't know why it didn't come. Okay, it's here. What's the first place? I think वो ही गलती से लिख दिया, but she's going to travel when the lockdown is over.
Yeah, I am not going to travel out of India or out of Mumbai also for a year now, because obviously
Right.
it's not safe till everything washes out and everything is back
True.
to clean and hygienic. But of course, after this lockdown gets over, I will be traveling to Naigaon, जहाँ पर मेरा set है. तो वो खुद में एक travel हो जाता है हम लोग के लिए, तो वो एक traveling
True.
तो करनी होगी, and we will be going back to work.
Correct. There was somebody who was asking Upar one word about Udan.
Udan for me is one word is not enough actually to describe Udan. It is family. It is my learning ground. It gave me everything. So yeah, it gave me what I am today. So yes.
Right. There is energetic.sp who has another question, which is what's your favorite food?
Okay, I like Chinese and I like Italian stuff also, but sometimes, not all the time. And pani puri, of course. Like
Are you missing pani puri?
A lot, but I don't think कि अब हम खा पाएंगे. I'll ask my mom
Right.
कि घर पे बनाए जब we have groceries available easily, तब हम जाके
Right.
पानी पूरी.
There is Mira underscore Kingdom who's asking baking or cooking?
Cooking any day, because yeah, बेकिंग में बहुत मेहनत है और एक्चुअली बहुत ध्यान से सारी चीजें
Right, it's like a science.
Yeah, so everything has to fall properly. Like my first cake was not very spongy, थोड़ा सा
Right.
कड़क हो गया था, but obviously it was my first try, so yeah.
Amruta loves Mira is asking, do you watch South Indian movies?
Can you repeat the question?
Amruta loves Mira is asking you, do you love South Indian movies?
South Indian movies, yeah. I mean, not love, but they are fun. आप कभी देखने बैठो, इतनी हिलेरियस चीजें होती है उनकी, एंड उनका जो एक्शन होता है वो अलग लेवल का एक्शन होता है. सो दैट्स रियली फन. इट्स चिल, मतलब दिमाग साइड में रख के देखनी चाहिए साउथ की मूवीज.
Right. Manasa underscore GS is asking one word about Chakor.
Superwoman.
Amazing. You know, you've played the character of Chakor so beautifully. Tell me, was there a takeaway that you had from the character itself when you left her? Was there something that she left in you?
Okay, can I repeat my answer now? Can I start?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so there was not one thing that I took away from Chakur. There were a lot of things because I played that character so closely for 3 years. You know, as a person, I was very emotionally weak and, you know, impractical at a lot of things. And I was too young also when I started playing it. So I grew up with that character. A kind of maturity stayed with me. The kind of, you know, Chakor always gave love to people and always gave second chances to people. And that is something that I have understood from her, you know, playing her, that the world really lacks love. And we should be giving it more and more and as much as we can to everybody, because everybody deserves love and happiness.
Right. There is Muskan Jaiswal asking, please say something about Namish and Vidvek. So like,
okay, Namish, yeah, Namish plays Vivek, and Namish is really professional and he's a very sweet guy. He's really hardworking. He puts in a lot of efforts. And you know, there are times when I go a little crazy कि अरे यार क्या scene है, कैसे होगा. So he's, you know, somebody who will be like ठीक है ना यार, करते हैं ना. So he has that positive side to him. And with Vivek is I don't know. I call them Ram and Sita of this generation. They are like that, the goody goody couple. So yeah, that's with Vivek.
Right. There is Mira.planet asking best birthday gift that you've ever received.
Best birthday ever received, right? So that
Best
would be my
birthday gift, right?
gift. I don't know. There are so many things. It's the little gestures that people do for you.
Right.
And everybody, who's close to me does something special for me. My mom, she makes efforts at making all my favorite stuff. And bachpan se leke aaj tak. So when I was a kid, I used to love Barbie dolls. And I have a collection of Barbie dolls at my place. So after a certain age, like 12 or 11 or something, Barbie dolls stop. But my mom makes sure कि वो मुझे हर बर्थडे पे एक बार्बी डॉल गिफ्ट करती है. So that is something that's very special to me. My brother doesn't stay with me, so he sends cakes from there. मतलब वो book करवाता है, and then gifts and cakes keep coming for me. All my colleagues or friends, even if they are not together or we are not working anymore, they will make sure that they celebrate or cut the cake with me or something like that. So that's very special.
Amazing. There is Meera_Kingdom who's asking any similarities that are there between Vidya and Meera.
I think Vidya is very simple, and I feel Meera is also very simple. I am very simple, जो कि ठीक नहीं है, but है तो मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकती इस बात का, but yeah.
Right. I am Anju Nair का सवाल है your favorite spot in Mumbai.
Tough question. मैं मुंबई में बाहर जाती नहीं हूँ actually, and I don't hang out a lot. I don't really go out so much. तो मेरा इतना है नहीं कुछ favorite, but if you ask me तो it'll probably कि मुझे car drive पे ले जाओ or something like that,
Right.
all around towards the town, the sea link or something like that. I like that. So
Right. There is a Wink 85 asking what's your favorite color?
white. The world knows it. I love white.
There is Siri 7237 asking what kind of music do you like?
I like country music, and I like jazz, and I like romantic songs. हमारे जो Bollywood romantic songs हैं. And
Right.
majorly जो 80s और 90s के गाने हैं, they are my favorites. Like I can listen to them. गोविंदा और सलमान के गाने चला दो आप करके, मैं इतनी खुश हो जाऊंगी. So that's something I enjoy. मतलब I can dance at any time.
Right. There is Manasa GS asking, do you like Vidya more or Udan?
There's no comparison between both of them.
True.
It's not about liking. I have lived those characters, so both the characters are very close to me. Whatever I've played, of course. On Chakor, on Vidya, on Udan. Sorry, on Udan, the family was the co-actors, and the set atmosphere was very loving and
Right.
welcoming and very warm. So all those people are really close to me, and yeah. So and Vidya itself is a very beautiful show. So
Correct. When you do shows with colors, fans का एक expectation हो जाता है that since you've done like 2 shows back to back, probably they will want to see you in Big Boss as well. So we've seen you as a guest, of course, but do you like ever plan to be a part of it?
I don't know a person like me. How would I be in Big Boss? That's a big question for me. क्योंकि मैं बात पे रो सकती हूँ. तो मुझे अगर थोड़ा सा भी किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया और वहाँ पे like अभी तो क्वारंटाइन कर रहे हैं और लॉकडाउन में है, तो I think I can survive. But you
Right.
don't have your internet and anything over there. You'll go crazy, and between so many people fighting over food and cleaning and all those things. So पता नहीं how it will be, but never say never. And
Correct.
you never know. क्या पता मैं Big Boss करूँ.
There is Jasmine underscore Sajanim who's asking, in your school days, what was your favorite subject?
Nice question. I guess English literature. Yeah, I used to enjoy my English class, and I must tell you, my English teacher used to be very hot. वो इतनी सुंदर थी, वो इतनी सुंदर थी, वो इतनी प्रिटी थी, वो ऐसे शिफॉन की साड़ीज पहन के आती थी, मेरे को अभी भी उनकी साड़ियों के रंग याद है. And she used to just come and read out the poems or the chapters, and I used to just be mesmerized.
मैं हूँ ना
I had a
वाली
girl crush on
teacher.
her.
Correct. There is Meera.planet who's asking, what was the last gift that you gave someone? I think they're obsessed with gifts.
Okay, gift. What did I give? The last gift that I gave someone. That would be on the New Year's. I gifted my mom a bag. So I wanted gifts. So I told her कि इस New Year पे हम ये कुछ नया करते हैं. Let's go out and get gifts for each other. So then I went out and I got a bag for her. I mean a purse, and she gave me nothing.
There is Jasmine underscore Sajinim who's asking, sunrise or sunset?
फिर से network खराब हो गया है. हाँ, can you please repeat the question?
हाँ, there was Sajinim who was asking sunrise or sunset.
Sunsets, I guess, क्योंकि sunrise पे तो मैं कभी उठती नहीं हूँ, तो मुझे पता नहीं है sunrise कैसा होता है. But I have seen few sunrises, and they are very beautiful. But I like sunsets. I like how the sky looks at sunsets.
Right. I told you that people are going to ask about Big Boss, and we have Amrita Prasad 77 who's asking, Khatro ke Khiladi ya Big Boss, what next?
You never know what next. Both shows are very interesting, and let's see. आप मुझे किस में देखोगे, वो एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज होगी. अगर खतरों के खिलाड़ी में गई तो मैं हाथ पैर तुड़वा के आऊंगी, ये पक्की बात है. तो बिग बॉस वुड बी अ सेफर चॉइस कि मैं जिंदा वहां रहूं. पता नहीं वहां भी क्या हो. पागल हो जाएंगे तो.
There is Abhinav Pandey asking, what is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie Bollywood में is called Dil To Pagal Hai, and because I am a die-hard romantic, or Hollywood में it's called A Walk to Remember, and otherwise there are, I mean, बहुत सारी ऐसी romantic Hollywood movies that I love. और otherwise मुझे सीधी फिर Air Force One और ये सारी जो movies हैं, the military based movies that they have, I love those. I enjoy watching them.
There is Goradia Hiral who's asking, tell us something about your girl gang.
Okay, my girl gang, I have a best friend who stays in Canada, and we have been together as friends for the past 15 years. So she knows everything about me and my life. So that's her. And in Mumbai, my girl gang would be Sonarika, Tanya. They all are actresses, and we all have worked together. And Vinny is my closest and the bestest friend over here, and she is adorable. So all these people, and we all go out sometimes, have cool dinners and chill together, or probably sit at home. And yeah,
we were also talking to Nimrit the other day, and she was like, Meera is like one of the only friends, like matlab predominantly who I like to chill with, and we hit it off when we had like integration.
Me and Nimrit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, me and Nimrit talk almost every alternate day, and we hit along so well. I mean, she and I are very much similar. तो हम दोनों की जो भी बातें हम डिस्कस करेंगे या कुछ भी होगा तो हे ये तो मेरे साथ भी हुआ. So it's something like that, both of us, and yeah, so we both are very cool together. So Nimrit is also a very good friend.
There is Ranjit 534 who's asking, आप म्यूजिक वीडियोस में एक्ट करना पसंद करोगे?
प्लीज रंजीत, अगर आप वीडियोस बना रहे हो, आप प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हो, तो प्लीज आप मुझे कास्ट कीजिए. आई वुड लव टू डू अ म्यूजिक वीडियो.
Amazing. So if anybody is watching and making a YouTube music video, you can of course contact Meera. She's up for it.
Yes.
Also, is like web series and doing that on cards at all?
Of course, I would love to. मतलब web series is something that's a total different platform.
Right.
उनका कंटेंट बहुत अलग होता है, एक्टर्स की परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अलग होती है, जो कि
True.
सीखने जैसी होगी और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगा. सो ऑफ कोर्स आई वुड लव टू.
Meera underscore Kingdom is asking, what irritates you the most?
What irritates me the most is I don't like fake people. And honestly, social media पे हम लोग इतना connected रहते हैं. There are so many people who portray to be something else and they really are something else, and it's not cool. I mean, this is something that I don't really appreciate and I don't like. So this is something that irritates me the most. And अगर आपने मैं भूखी हूँ और मुझे खाने को कुछ नहीं दिया तो मैं irritated हूँ.
There is Ankita Bank who's asking, Meera, what is your memorable moment in life?
There are so many. There are many. It starts with the day when I was born, and I guess वो पहला medal होगा जो मैंने जीता, gold medal. और the most memorable is 10th standard. I topped in my city. I was 10th boards. I topped in my city. So that's something memorable for me. And after that, when I came to Mumbai, when I got Udaan, that is very memorable. The 1,000 episodes that we finished on Udaan is very memorable. And my first date will be memorable. And so such things.
Correct. There is cute underscore Meera Deosthale, and she's asking favorite actor in a movie. Basically, your favorite actor.
I like Ranveer Singh's work a lot. I really like the person also that he is, and how he has so much of energy and so much of enthusiasm at everything. And he's really sweet also. So I like Ranveer Singh.
Meera underscore Kingdom has written, Meera, your existence is such a blessing and a heart. Having such loyal fans who even keep messaging us ki get Meera for a chat, and just having people around you who are so positive and they appreciate all the work that you do. How does it feel to have such a good clan of people who are supporters?
Honestly, if somebody asks me, I told you, right, that I'm very simple and I'm being very upfront about this. I don't know if I become the kind of popular person that I want to be or something. That is, not in my priority list, but my priority would be that if I am doing some kind of work or if I'm doing something, the people who are watching me should get a smile watching me, or those people should feel happy that okay, this is something, or I should feel satisfied कि आज मैंने कुछ अच्छा किया. So that is something that I look forward to. And these are the people who follow me and who give and shower that kind of love on me. So it's really sweet of them, and I'm very thankful to have them.
There is Alka Pandey 477 asking, आप अपने स्किन का ख्याल कैसे करती हैं?
देखिए, इस वक्त बहुत गर्मी है, आप देख सकते हैं मुझे पिंपल्स आए हुए हैं, तो और मैंने बिल्कुल ऐसे मेकअप लगा के कोई कष्ट नहीं लगाया है कि मैं वो छुपाऊं क्योंकि वी आर इन अ लॉकडाउन, तो मुझे पिंपल्स भी आए हुए हैं. बट हैव लॉट्स ऑफ वाटर and eat fresh food or have fruits or eat nice good leafy vegetables. ये सब चीजें बहुत important है. तो उससे आपके सिर्फ स्किन नहीं, आपके बाल और आपकी हेल्थ भी अच्छी रहती है. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट to feel good internally also, and be happy from
Right.
inside. It shows on your skin. If you're happy, your skin glows. So always be happy.
There is Payal Deb who's writing, we want to see you in an urban show where you are wearing Western dresses. Do you
Even
also?
I want to do it. Even I want to do it. I am so done with being desi and being. I mean, I've done 2 shows that are UP based, right? So
Right.
it is fun. But then, of course, I miss looking glamorous, or I miss ki I would be wearing something sexy, or a beautiful dress or something like that.
Right.
And Udan mein, whenever I used to wear those gowns and everything, so that used to be a break for me. तो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता था ये इस तरह से तैयार होना. So that is something I enjoy. So
Right.
please ऐसी म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाइए, प्लीज मुझे कास्ट कीजिए, और प्लीज मेरे को ऐसे अच्छे ग्लैमरस कपड़े दीजिए.
Amazing. And on that note, we are going to ask you our last question, which is, who's been your video chat buddy during quarantine? Because घर पे हम सब literally video chat ही कर रहे हैं, तो या फिर कुछ और भी जो भी अपन का regular काम होता है. But who's been your buddy?
So there's not one buddy. There are buddies which are allotted throughout the day. I speak to Tanya in the noon. I speak to Sonarika in the evening. Nimrit is my late night friend. We speak a late night. And beach mein, my brother from Canada, he also calls us because obviously we are very worried for him over there. So,
Right.
wo बेचारा
So
अपना
everybody
video
has like a
करके
allotted
ठीक हो.
set time.
Slots, सबके slots है. उसके बीच में हम we are shooting scenes and we are shooting videos and doing live chats and also. So all of this is also going along. So work.
So you
calls
are
also
working
happening.
from home, like you are
Yeah, we
shooting
are.
stuff for the show.
Yeah, so we have been shooting scenes. तो हम लोग घर से हम लोग कैमरा प्लेस करके हम लोग सीन शूट कर रहे हैं. So this is something that we done, and it's there on air on Colors. I'm sure fans will see that, and I guess it's a sweet thing to be connected with the fans even in
Right.
quarantine, and they will not get bored. So I guess
Correct.
Colors is doing a great job at this क्योंकि उनके सारे shows के the couples are making such videos, and so it's out there.
Amazing. And lastly, what's going to be your message? Because the lockdown has gotten extended yesterday and people are a little bugged, but it's very important as well to stay home. So what message would you like to give?
Of course, I saw, I mean, we all have seen the news, and we know what happened yesterday in Bandra.
True.
So it's not wise. I know there are rumors that are, spreading, and people बस सुन लेते हैं, मान लेते हैं, कर लेते हैं. Please ऐसा ना करें जब तक आपको officially things are not being told. तब तक don't go out, because ये हम सबकी safety के लिए है. अगर हम 10 लोग भी जमा होते हैं, you never know कि 10 लोगों में से अगर एक बंदा भी is not well or something, you can catch that. So it's wise not to go out. जब तक बहुत ही जरूरी नहीं है, please आप बाहर ना जाएं. It's a request to everybody. And don't be bogged down also, क्योंकि ये जो भी हो रहा है हम सबके अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है. And trust me, 3 मई के बाद ना ये सारे जो पकड़े ना घर में, वो सब बोलेंगे हमको और लॉकडाउन चाहिए. We are missing staying at home. So
guilty pleasure.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much, Meera, for taking out
Thank
time and
you.
talking to us. It was a lovely chat, and we hope that we see you on set soon. And stay home and stay safe.
You too. Take care. Everybody, please take care. Stay
care.
home, stay safe. Bye.
Bye. Well, guys, that was Meera Devasthale for you all, and this is Simran signing off. Live का कोई भी part miss हो गया हो, you can check it out. I'm going to save the live. Also, the live is going to go up on YouTube. You can watch it there as well. Take screenshots and share with us. We would love to see all of them. And yeah, that's about it. This is Simran saying, stay home, stay safe, take care. And 8 o'clock, I'm going to be back. Yes, at 8, we have another live, which is going to be the last live for the day. Joining us for that live session will be Crisanne Barreto. So be super excited for that as well. Send in your questions, and yeah, that's about it. Libra boy Rakesh is writing get lost. Yes, I am getting lost. So you stay home and stay safe and take care. And everybody else who joined in, thank you so much for joining in and sending in your questions. And yeah, goodbye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.